So I don't know what we're doing today, but I know we're gonna do something. Jason should be home shortly. It's currently 9:30. Baby Jake is feeling so much better. I had to take off work for like a week because he was sick. We didn't end up going to New York because he was sick. So yeah, but it's okay. Ow, he's pulling my hair. Goyo. What are you doing? Why are you pulling mommy's hair? Huh? What are you doing? He flipped over, guys. What are you doing? Oh, you're hugging mommy? Oh, no. Hey, don't touch. What are you doing, Jake? Baby. Tell them that you learned how to take your shirt off at night. Jake. Jake. No cameras, mommy. Hey guys, so I'm feeding baby Jake some of this like baby strawberry cereal, which he loves. He hates the other ones that he's tried, but this one he likes. I do put a bib on him, but I didn't put one on him right now.
Whoa! Not funny anymore.
So right now, this is what I'm gonna put on baby Jake. He's gonna wear this bomber jacket with this black long sleeve jacket, and then I don't know, this is like navy blue, but I wanted black ones, but they were too small on him. I have to buy him more pants, so hopefully, you won't tell. You're ready. So we're all ready to go. Baby Jake is wearing his nice jacket, his pants.
Record. Then turn right onto 17th Avenue East.
Jason's getting gas. Baby Jake, is he sleeping?
No.
This guy's watching me vlog. It's awkward. My lips are still chapped. I'm gonna use this oil I found in my bag. So it is so cold here. New York is cold, but here it's just like cold. My lips always get chapped here. And my skin gets so dried. That's why I'm scared for baby Jake, because his skin is like really dry. But
yo. It's fucking cool,
anyways, we're gonna go eat. While we're waiting, my lashes look bad, guys. I'm so sorry. What is he doing? He's coming back. Jason got gas. We're supposed to leave, and then he just walked away. So, anyways, waiting for Jason. He just went to go pay. He said I thought he was just walking away because apparently let him get gas, and then he, you know what happened. But my hair looks bad. I don't even know what to talk about. I know my vlogs need to be longer. I know I need to vlog more, but I'm just so like, I go somewhere and then I forget to vlog, or like there's so many people and I'm like, But I'm gonna try to vlog more. I'm gonna get a camera. I don't know when. Hopefully soon. The one I want wasn't even there when I went to Best Buy, but yeah. I haven't gotten my nails done. We have a lot going on right now, so I haven't even got my nails done. We still have to go to New York. So much. My sister is just on her phone. Jason's coming back. So I'll vlog at the restaurant. Hi, puppy. Hi. We finished all the food. And so did Jake. Such a cute fireplace. Baby Jake. Baby Jake. Jake, so we're leaving. Papi. Gordo. Jake. Here. So we are in Ikea. My hair looks a little crazy, but we are currently in Ikea. We were just looking at some furniture. It looks so bad. but we're just looking at some furniture because I want to get a new vanity. Hey guys, so we went to Ikea and to eat. I just wanted to look at some furniture at Ikea because I do want to get a new vanity, so that's why we went to Ikea. Baby Jake is sleeping. Let me show you guys. So I don't want to wake him up. Let me show you guys because he was like struggling to fall asleep. I'm gonna try to lay down next to him. Cynthia. Hold on. Hi, baby. We're back home. Here's my baby. Hi, baby.